In this video, I'll show you how to make copies using a Canon Pixma TS8750 printer. Before you start, just open up your paper tray and make sure you have enough paper for the amount of copies that you need. Now come to the touch screen. Make sure the printer is turned on, obviously, and we're going to press the copy button. It's then going to give you a few different options depending on the copy. So you have ID copy, photocopy. I'm just going to select standard copy. Then in the bottom left, press on the settings button. And here, if you press on the word copies or the number, you'll be able to change the amount of copies. So I want 3. I'm just going to press the number 3, then press OK. And now if you scroll down, there's a few different settings that you can change. So you can change the print quality, two-sided printing, a few other things. Now we're going to open up this lid here at the top of the printer and take the page or item that you're copying and place it face down on the glass. So you'll see this arrow in the top left. Just press the page towards it so it's aligned with the scanner, then close the lid. Finally, to start the copying process, here we have black and color. So let's say you wanted black copies. You would simply press the black button at the top. Obviously, if you wanted color, you would choose the color option. So you'll get confirmation on the screen and the paper tray will come out. And here we have my 3 black copies. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.